Hi there! Today I'm excited to share with you a Crustless cheesecake recipe. This cheesecake is so delicious, creamy, and just melts in your mouth with every bite. So let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine 2/3 cup of cream cheese, 3 medium eggs, half cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Make sure everything is at room temperature. That's the way the butter mixes nice and smooth. Next, add 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring and pinch of salt. Mix until everything is well combined. I am using an 8-inch cake pan greased and dusted with flour and lined with parchment paper. Put the butter into the prepared cake pan. Finally, add a handful of blackberries on top, or any of your favorite berries, but this step is optional. Bake in preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until the top is a lovely golden brown. Once baked, let the cheesecake cool completely in the pan. Then fridge and chill for at least 4 hours before serving. And that's it! Your Crustless cheesecake is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.